Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can attach any kind of attachment in your Gmail. So as you can see, I have opened the Google Chrome. So you also have to open the Google Chrome in the same way. And after opening the Google Chrome, as you can see, here's the option for the Gmail. So we have to click on the Gmail option. And after clicking on the Gmail option, and so as you can see, here's the option for the compose. Now we have to click on the compose. And after clicking on the compose, so as you can see, I have clicked twice. So I'm gonna delete this one. So as you can see, here's the option 2. Now we have to write the email whom we are sending. And after that, we have to write the subject, that what is the subject of the email. And after that, we have to write the email material here, that whatever we are writing. And as you can see, we have some other options here. If you want to change your formatting, or you will see the options related to your formatting here. For example, I'm going to write this sentence, and after select and writing this, I'm going to select this. And if you want to make it bolder, you can also do that as italic, underline, and these options are also provided. If you want to change your text color, so you have to change the text color in the same way. So as you can see, so in this way you can apply the formatting on your text and email as well. So as you can see, if you want to change the font style, you can also do that. So we were discussing about that how you can add any kind of file in your Gmail. So what you have to do, you have to click on this option. As you can see, here's the attach file. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, for example, I'm going to select this one. So now click on the open, and after clicking on the open, the file will be uploaded. And after the completion of file will be ready to use. So as you can see, the file is uploaded. Now you can send email. Now we just need to hit the send button, and these file will be shared with that, and these file will be shared that person. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can attach your files with email. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.